In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $500 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FYSETC Clone Prusa i3 Printer. The FYSETC Clone Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D Printer Full Kit is a comprehensive DIY upgrade kit designed to enhance the original MK3S model. Featuring significant improvements such as a pinder probe, break detection, and white clamp communication, this kit aims to optimize printing performance and user experience. Customers can choose between two options: their only kit, which excludes printed parts, and their with printed parts option, which includes essential components for assembly. The kit does not come with filament, and users are advised to wear gloves during installation for safety. For further inquiries or to explore printer parts, customers can access additional resources and links provided by FYSETC. The product is CE certified and originates from mainland China, ensuring quality and compliance with safety standards. Number 2. Tronxy X5 PRO Printer. The Tronxy X5 PRO is a versatile 3D printer available in Brazil with a printing size capability of 330 by 330 by 400 mm, utilizing an OSG double-axis external guide rail and a Titan extruder for enhanced precision and reliability. It offers customizable slice thickness from 0.1 mm to 0.3 mm and supports printing speeds ranging from 20 to 150 mm per second, with a suggested speed of 60 mm per second. The printer operates on a 24V, 360W power supply and features automatic leveling for user convenience, accommodating both English and Chinese languages. Various models, including the X5 400, X5 500, and their respective dual-color 2E versions, cater to different printing needs and sizes, distinguished by their materials and filament detection capabilities. Customers can enjoy rapid delivery in 4 to 12 days, along with the benefit of no customs duties or additional postage fees for orders from the Brazil warehouse. Number 3. Tronxy X5 SA PRO Printer. The Tronxy X5 SA 3D printer is a versatile and efficient FDM, fused deposition modeling, machine suitable for various applications. It features a slice thickness range of 0.1 to 0.4 mm and boasts a printing speed of up to 100 mm per second, catering to a variety of project needs. The printer operates on an AC110-220 DC24V power supply with a maximum power consumption of 360W, and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. It supports various filaments including PLA, ABS, HIPS, wood, PC, PVE, and TPU, with a consumables diameter of 1.75 mm. The nozzle diameter is set at 0.4 mm, and has a maximum print size of 255 by 255 by 260 mm. Key features include auto leveling, compatibility with popular slicing software like Repetier Host and Cura, and the ability to handle file formats such as STL, OBJ, and G-code. With a color print speed ranging from 20 to 100 mm per second and a USB interface, the printer is CE certified, ensuring quality and safety. The Tronxy X5 SA, originating from mainland China, is designed to meet diverse printing demands efficiently. Number 4. Tronxy Liquid 3D Printer. The Tronxy More 1 is a mini pottery 3D printer designed for ceramic materials, utilizing liquid deposition modeling (LDM) technology. It features a maximum printing size of 180 by 180 by 180 mm and accommodates a variety of materials, including clay, ceramic slurry, and red porcelain, with a nozzle diameter ranging from 1 to 3.0 mm. The printer operates at a speed of 10-40 mm/s, with a preferred setting of 30 mm per second, and supports layer thicknesses between 0.3 to 3.0 mm. It requires a power supply of 24V4A, with input voltage compatibility from 100-240V AC. The More One supports various file formats, STL, G-code, OBJ, and is compatible with multiple slicing software like Cura and Simplify 3D. The device is equipped with an LCD touch screen, weighs 7.5 kilograms, and includes features such as resume print capability and a multilanguage interface, making it a versatile option for pottery enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 5. Creality HALOT-MAGE 3D Printer. The Ender HALOT-MAGE is a cutting-edge 3D printer featuring advanced specifications for precision and efficiency. It operates with a layer thickness range of 0.05 to 0.15 mm and a printing speed of 1 to 5 seconds per layer, achieving a maximum working speed of up to 170 mm per hour. The printer supports both Windows and Mac operating systems and utilizes 405 nanometers resins with a maximum print size of 228 by 128 by 230 mm. It is powered by a 100W supply and operates at 220V, boasting CE certification for safety. The HALOT-MAGE is equipped with a 10.3-inch monochrome LCD screen and utilizes integral light source technology with an intensity of 8000 plus or minus 10% W/cm². It is compatible with various slicing software such as HALOTBox, ChichiBox, and Lychee Slicer, accepting file formats like STL and OBJ. This reliable 3D printer is designed to cater to both English and Chinese users, making it a versatile choice for various printing needs.